Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss about thermodynamics and its importance, microscopic and macroscopic approach, and concept of continuum. Thermodynamics is science of energy transfer and its effect on the physical properties of substances. The term thermodynamics stems from two Greek words. Therm means heat and dynamics means power. Based on the observations of the common experience, thermodynamic laws have been formulated. These laws govern the principles of energy conversion. The thermodynamic laws and principles are applied in almost all fields of energy technology, mainly in steam and nuclear power plants, internal combustion engines, gas dynamics, gas turbines, jet propulsions, air conditioning, compressors, refrigeration, and in domestic applications. There are 2 points of views from which behavior of the matter can be described. One is microscopic approach and the other one is macroscopic approach. Microscopic approach is also called as statistical thermodynamics, whereas macroscopic approach is also called as classical thermodynamics. In case of microscopic approach, certain quantity of matter is considered with the events occurring at the molecular level being taken into account. In case of macroscopic approach, certain quantity of matter is considered without the events occurring at the molecular level being taken into account. In case of microscopic approach, if gas is considered as matter, the behavior of the gas is described by summing up the behavior of each molecule. In case of macroscopic approach, it is the effect of many molecules. In this approach, it is not concerned with the action of individual molecule. In case of microscopic approach, the effect of individual molecules cannot be perceived by human senses. But whereas in case of macroscopic approach, effect of many molecules can be perceived by human senses. For example, macroscopic property pressure is the average rate of change of momentum due to all the molecular collisions made on a unit area. In case of macroscopic approach, the results can be derived from the studies of microscopic thermodynamics. From macroscopic viewpoint, we are always concerned with volumes which are very large compared to molecular dimensions. Even a very small volume of system is assumed to have a very large number of molecules, and statistical averaging of the behavior of the molecules can give property values of the system. Disregarding the behavior of individual molecules, matter here treated as continuous, this is called as concept of continuum.